Ang mga babae talaga ngayon, kahit marami ng problema, maaliwalas pa rin ang kanilang pagmumuka.
Wow!
Salamat!
Sa filter.
Hindi ka depressed, hindi ka rin stress, at lalong hindi ka rin malungkot. Nangihina ka lang kasi wala kang pera. Ganun yun.
Love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend, or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go, I must be free.
Malamig lang ang panahon, jowa na agad hanap nyo. Try mo maglugaw, maitlog din yon.
If you're not ready to go home, can I get a hell no? Cause we gotta go all night, going through the sunlight. Alright, so la da di da di, we like to body.